Guys, this new platform literally just launched in September 2025. This is the exact month that I am filming and posting this video, and I had to jump in here as quickly as possible to get you guys in here. Fast forward 10 years, everybody will know about it, and the opportunity will be stale. But right now, it's wide open. Most people who try to start businesses online fail, and it's not because they're lazy. It's not because you're not working hard enough. If you're anything like me, you've been working crazy hours just trying to figure out how the heck to sell stuff online, and nothing is working. The reason why is because all the stuff that we're trying to use, all the methods, the ideas, the tools, the ads, the platforms are all so saturated, and the time that we should have gotten involved in them was like 10 years ago. And now it's not necessarily too late. You can still do well with those platforms, but it takes a lot of extra work and time and energy to do well and compete with these big players that have been in the space for a really long time. This new platform, this brand new platform that I'm about to share with you, literally just launched in September 2025. So now is the time to get into it. You are going to be one of the first people who joins. Even if you join within the next year or the next couple years of me posting this video, you are going to be one of the early creators within this community. If you're an author, if you're a self-publisher, if you're a course creator, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you have at all tried to make money online, you've probably felt one of these frustrations. If you're an affiliate, you're sending traffic to funnels that are not working, or you're having a hard time getting traffic in the first place to your websites, to your links, whatever, and you're just not making sales. If you're a course creator, an author, an offer creator, you're probably creating something amazing that you know is so valuable and that you have so much faith in, but you still can't figure out how the heck to get anybody to purchase it. And if you're just looking for passive income in general, you are overwhelmed. The emails, the ads, the tech, the information, you are just so over flooded by all these things that you need to do in order to be successful. And while you're hustling, ad costs are skyrocketing, markets are becoming oversaturated, and people are much more skeptical about purchasing things than they were in the past. The crazy cool thing is that this platform actually solves all these problems. It's literally revolutionary. And if you stick to the end, I'm actually going to give you a whole bunch of free bonuses that you guys can use to be really successful with this platform. It's completely free. The platform is 100% free. You don't ever have to pay for it ever. But if you sign up using my link, then I'll get a little notification with your email address. I'll be able to add your email address to a group that I've created that's going to have all these really cool free bonuses in it that are going to help you just supercharge your success and be really successful with the platform right off the bat while it's still new and fresh. So the question is, how do you break out of this? How do you finally win online without wasting years guessing, testing, and just hoping that something sticks? The solution that fixes all of this is called OfferLab. And like I said, if you decide to join through my link, which is down in the description, I'm going to give you a complete stack of bonuses that you won't be able to find anywhere else completely for free. But don't click yet, because I want to talk you through why OfferLab is so cool and why it is completely revolutionizing the way that we do offers, that we promote our products, and all without ad spend. Like I said, all of this is completely free and it's amazing. If any of you guys have heard of Russell Brunson, or you follow him at all, or ClickFunnels, any of their products, then you're gonna know that this is legitimate. Russell Brunson is one of those entrepreneurs like Alex Hormozi and Dean Graziosi, where they are very just good people and they genuinely want to help entrepreneurs like us to do well and to succeed in life. So this platform is something that Russell Brunson and his team created in order to help us collaborate with other individuals, other entrepreneurs, other affiliates, other offer creators. And what's so cool about it is, if you've ever heard of a platform like JVZoo, where there's like these massive lists of affiliate offers you can promote, the problem with these platforms is that they do not always have really high offers on there, high quality offers on there. It's actually very difficult to sort through everything and find something that's going to be safe for you to promote. And I honestly just got overwhelmed when I looked at these platforms and didn't even go through with using them, because a lot of those offers are just really low quality, and you don't want to associate your name and promote these poor quality products to your audience that you're creating or to whoever, because it's going to end up destroying your personal brand as well. Now, the other problem with platforms like JVZoo is that when you do direct traffic to one of these offers that somebody has posted on there, it's one offer, you get maybe one commission from it if it converts. Now with OfferLab, what is really, really cool is people can go on there, both affiliates, creators, anybody can go on there and they can post their offers on there. Affiliates can go on there and grab some of these offers to promote, but it is not just that. They can actually, on OfferLab, take multiple different offers from multiple different creators and put them together into what's called a funnel. If you don't know what a funnel is yet, let me just briefly explain it. And there's so many ways that you can do this. There's so many different funnel strategies, but very, very simply stated is, in an example, you might have a book that you're promoting, and it could be your book that you're promoting, and then you add other people's offers onto your funnel, or you could start promoting somebody else's book and include your offer in the funnel, or you could just purely not create an offer at all and just use a whole bunch of other affiliate offers and put them together into a funnel. So let's say that you're promoting a book, okay? You put the book at the front end of the funnel. When somebody clicks on your link, they're going to see that offer. They're going to see this book. It's going to be really cool. They're going to click on that link to buy the book. Maybe it's even a free book. They enter in their email address, get the book. Before their payment has completely processed, they're going to be able to see another offer that you've put in there that is very closely related to that. And you usually want it to be something that is going to help build on that first offer that you created. So if this is a book about aeroponic gardening, then the next offer in your funnel could be offering them an actual physical aeroponic garden. And that's something that's going to complement the first thing that they just purchased. Now, obviously, not everybody's going to also purchase that first thing. But what's so cool about this is they don't have to put in their payment details a second time. If it's something that makes sense to them and it really does complement that first product, they can click and boom, your profits just like doubled or tripled, or that second product could be way more expensive than the first one. So there's so many really cool strategies and ways that you can put this all together into funnels. There is no other platform that is allowing you to do that with that type of collaboration. And what's crazy is we just went through the launch with Russell Brunson and watched him actually create one of these funnels. And then we went and tried it ourselves. Guys, it literally takes like 30 seconds to a minute to throw together a funnel and click a link and then promote it. It is so easy. No tech, nothing. It's like the crazy simplest funnel building, offer building, affiliate building software on the planet. It's crazy simple and crazy easy. If you are an offer creator, you definitely want to get in there right now. Because if you do have a really high quality offer and you learn how to promote it the right way, then you can put it in there and people are going to see all these affiliates that are flooding in there are going to see your product and they can start promoting it just for free. I mean, you don't have to pay them until they make a sale for you, and the software in there automatically handles the payments. They get their cut of the percentage of whatever you offered them, you get your cut of the payment, and you didn't have to pay for advertising, which is amazing. And what we were told is that the way that the sort of algorithm, if you will, works is that these offers that are being picked up by affiliates and they're doing really well, that they're going to sort of float to the top of the page. And there are ways that you can actually sort of launch your offer within OfferLab to help it float to the top so that more affiliates are seeing it and grabbing it and promoting it for you. Now, when you click the link below and you sign up for OfferLab, what it's going to do is it's going to take you to a page where it has an additional offer for you. And this is the OfferLab certification, which I actually did purchase because it's kind of a no-brainer. Like, it's $4.97 for total transparency here. Anytime that somebody else signs up for that exact $4.97 OfferLab certification through your referral link, which you'll automatically be given, you get that full $4.97. None of those cuts are going to Russell Brunson or his team or OfferLab or anybody. You get 100% of the profits from that. So literally, you can just invite one buddy to join you on this OfferLab certification, and then boom, you've made your money back. Invite 2 people, and you just made about $500. Now, like I said, as an offer creator, what you're going to want to do is figure out how to launch your product correctly on OfferLab. And like I said, the technology is super, super easy, but you want to understand some of the marketing strategies and make sure you're using the right language to make sure that you're attracting affiliates to your offer to promote it. So I know a lot of you guys are authors or you're working on self-publishing. Maybe you do have some sort of course that you've created, whatever. Even physical products can go on OfferLab as well. So the way that we're going to learn how to do this is in that OfferLab certification. They're actually going to be going through some specific tips and trainings on how to successfully promote your offer or put up or post your offer with an OfferLab to make sure that you have affiliates running to you to promote your offer for free so that you're not having to pay for advertising and boom, the word spreads, right? Now, the other cool thing is that when you are collaborating with somebody on OfferLab, you can work with another creator and you can say, hey, let's do like a little swap in a sense. And so you can tell them about your offer, your book that you've created, your course, whatever, and then they can tell you about theirs. You guys can share them with each other. And you can both create a funnel that includes both offers. So you could create a funnel that starts with the book at the beginning and then sells your friend's course on the back end, or you can flip it and they can do the same thing for you. So now there's 2 different funnels being shared and promoted by 2 different people and 2 different sets of affiliates that is now just spreading and spreading and spreading. I mean, you can see how easily this collaboration is going to be so powerful for all of us. Anytime that you invite somebody to OfferLab as well, you do get like a little tiny percentage. I think it's like 0.5%, something like that, of the sales that they make through OfferLab. You do get a little bit of money when you invite people to OfferLab, even if you're not paying to join that OfferLab certification. You still get a little bit of like a referral from every time that they join, that they start promoting an offer from somebody else as well, and that they are actually making sales on that offer, and that's for life. And even if that didn't make any sense, I'm just going to explain to you guys the bonuses that I'm going to be giving you, because what's going to be really powerful within OfferLab is us promoting other people's offers, putting our offers on there, kind of collaborating and doing all this work. And what I want to do is create these bonuses for you that are going to make it really simple and really straightforward for you to create your own traffic sources for free if you want to be promoting other people's products as an affiliate. I'm going to make it really easy for you to promote OfferLab. It's going to be an absolute no-brainer. Had to write these down because there's a lot of them. So within my Affiliate Freedom Fast Track bonus stack, you're going to get bonus number 1, my Faceless Video Vault, which is done for you reels and short form videos. And I have like a couple where I've actually like filmed the video or made the video for you, and then I'm giving you a script that you can then voice over. Sounds a little confusing, but it's really simple and it's really plug and play, and then you can use it yourself. And then the bonus number 2, I've got Caption and Hook Bank, which is 50 plus proven scroll stopping captions, headlines, and call to action scripts, so you never run out of what to say. I didn't have this memorized for obvious reasons. This is a lot of information. Bonus number 3 is my email profit pack. These are your 7 ready to send affiliate emails plus 3 follow-up nurture emails that you can copy and paste to turn leads into buyers. Bonus number 4 is my 30-day action plan for you, which has daily content plus income building tasks that keep you consistent and on track to make your first commission. Bonus number 5 are our plug and play growth tools. So you've got thumbnail templates, hashtag lists. And bonus number 6 is the 10x your earnings with AI. So this is how I'm going to teach you how to talk to AI, because if any of you have messed around with AI, you know it is not quite that straightforward. And how to use free AI tools to make your marketing way faster and way more effective so that you can just 10x your results with affiliate marketing, with offer creation, promotion, getting traffic, whatever, all of it, all of the above. Now again, these are only available if you sign up through my link, because then I'm going to see your email as you sign up. Now, if for some reason within 24 hours of you signing up, you don't get that invite to join my free community where I have all of these bonuses available for you, then just reach out to me, okay? My email is listed on this YouTube channel. I'll actually paste it down in the description as well, so you can really easily reach out to me if for some reason you don't get that invite within 24 hours. But I will be regularly checking that dashboard within OfferLab to see who's signing up so that I can quickly add you guys to our community and just get the ball rolling for y'all. Now, the other cool thing about this being a group that I'm adding you to is that we can collaborate as well within our little group that we're creating. And as it gets bigger and bigger, I really don't care if you guys go in there and you promote yourselves, just as long as it's a give and take sort of scenario. So I don't want you to just go in there and be like, guys, I have this to sell you and this to sell you and this to sell you, and please go promote my offer, okay? I want it to be give and take. So for every post that you go in there and say, hey, I have this really cool offer I just uploaded to OfferLab. Does anybody want to jump on and help promote me or include my offer in your funnel? For every time that you do that, I would really recommend that you go down and read other offers that people have posted and offer to include one of their offers in your funnel. Now, obviously, it needs to be something that aligns with you, okay? It's going to be very difficult for you to promote a health supplement and a course creation challenge in the same funnel, because they don't make sense. But do try to find people that you can work with and collaborate with that have very similar products that complement each other. And we can share tips and ideas and free traffic sources and all sorts of cool stuff. And you can totally reach out and say, hey, I would really be interested in having some sort of resource like this because I'm really struggling with this. Okay, we want to be really just communicative with each other in this community. That's what's so powerful about it. is that if you're letting me know what you're struggling with and what's making it really difficult for you to make commissions as an affiliate or to get people to promote your offer that you're putting up, then let's talk about it. And I'm going to create more resources and talk to you guys about it and help you to really be successful for free, because when one person wins an OfferLab, we all win. Like, we all work together, and this is a very powerful way to grow together and actually make this really cool semi-passive income, active income, whatever you want to call it, but working together is going to be very powerful in OfferLab.